This is a great question here from Tristan. With so many things going on in life, family, friends, work, other projects, what gives you the motivation to get on with them repairs you put away at the back of the cupboard that you said you'll get to later? This one kind of hit home a little bit because until somebody asks you, don't really think about it too much. For me, content has really, really helped with my motivation for getting YouTube videos out and repairing electronic devices. So you have to think that with me and my business, I repair electronic devices for content. So I use the electronic repair as like a tool to make money in my business. So therefore, if I have devices that are laying around that I like ideas for content and I'm able to use them for content, you best believe that I'm going to try and get them in a video because that's how my business model works and runs. Not only for the YouTube videos, but for the short form content as well. I can use it. I can use the stuff for that. Profit or loss won't go out if I don't repair things. And I've done 2 YouTube videos every single week since I've gone full time in 2024, 1st of January 2024. I don't think I've missed 2 videos a week since that point. So it's extremely important for me that I don't have these things lying around. That doesn't mean that I've just put stuff and I've always repaired things that I've put to the side, because that's also not true. I've sold them or I've put them in a donor pile, so at least they're sorted. So I can take those devices and say, right, I'm not going to be using that at all. And in fact, I'm just going to keep it for donor parts and I'll just pick it up when I need to. Or I'll get rid of it and just sell it on eBay as faulty, whether that be through auction or a buy it now, depending on how the market's looking. You have to, I kind of have to explain that because it's my way of life and my income and my business and the way I support my family and the way I keep a roof over my family's head is repairing devices. So I think that, what did they say? What's that saying where it's like a clear mind or clear desk, clear mind, something like that. Doesn't really apply to me because my desk is never clear, but let's just say clear house. When I move into the garage, which is obviously a huge project, I think I'll have a little bit more organization, which will be amazing. And I hope to keep the churn of my devices running a lot smoother. So I hope to just really be on top of it. But that's not to say that I don't go months with sometimes devices sitting around, because I do. It does happen. And when you let devices get like that, it can really kill your creativity, number one, for especially the line of work that I do. You feel really cluttered. So you don't really know what to do next, where to turn next. So it's really important that you keep on top of your inventory. And sometimes, even though you think you're going to get a lot less money for selling that device, it's massively worth it to free up your mind. Because once your mind is gone, it just takes a very long time to get back into a good headspace. So keeping your inventory clear will hopefully keep you moving forward, if that makes sense. I also, the word motivation is a really tough one because I can't remember what piece of content I watched. I'm not necessarily motivated to go to the gym. I don't like the gym. I went to the gym today. I've done 30 minutes on a treadmill, walking on an incline, when my main goal at the moment is to try and build muscle. I don't have motivation to go for that. I go as like a way of life and a change in my daily routine. So I think about what I eat is a lot better now compared to what I was. But I try not to use the word motivation. I kind of feel like I just have to do it. There is no like, oh, I have to get... So obviously I wake up and I go, I just cannot be asked today. It's not happening. But you just kind of get on with it. Every moment that I think that I don't go to the gym or I don't fix a faulty device, I kind of have this niggling thing in the back of my mind that it's like, well, someone else is going to do it. And then you'll just fade away. So that can be quite exhausting, mixing it in with family and everything else. But I don't know. I don't use the word motivation too much now. I have done. I try not to think about it too much now because I just have to. There is no. It's like with the school. The school failed once. This school that people are in now, it failed once. October's when I started it. It failed multiple times, and I documented that journey as well. And someday I might put some videos out because I recorded it. But again, it's not motivation. It's like, yeah, I'm going to fail, but ultimately it's down to me to get these things done. And it's not down to anybody else. It's no fun just being, I don't know, not challenging yourself and sat around and wondering what if.